Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As what we expected, the price reverse because again, if we refer to our analysis, I mentioned the price is going to reverse. We don't need to panic. And there was a really good opportunity. We buy from here and even based on 15 minutes from here. And this is what we get because I mentioned we want to see the breakout of this. And as we can see, the price exactly break. And there was a few opportunity as a short-term trade. Okay. Now we want to see what's the next. Whoever get the trade, at least move the stop loss to break even somewhere around 35K. All right, around somewhere around here. And this is the reasons why I was mentioning the when after the price drop, I mentioned we're looking for buy. I was keep highlighting we're looking for buy, and this is what we get. Still, we can look for continuation, but we should know any trade from now is a short-term trade, okay? Because we need to see the bigger correction based on higher time frame. And if I move to daily chart, okay, this is what we get. All right, now we want to see how we can look at this, whether we can put this two in relative to each other as a flat, because at the first time we have been looking for the at the 1 2 3 as a flat in relative to this for one move up. What we get here is a really sharp move. We want to see whether this one can retest the previous top or we can see the internal correction. Anyway, still we cannot confirm with this since we get within 1 day and we need to see what will happen by today. Okay. That means still we're looking for continuation. But from now, we need to be really careful. This is what we have. We don't need these lines anymore. And we have been looking for this wave as a 1 2 3. And we put this one in relative to this in the bigger picture. Okay, now we should know that we have to get the bigger correction that the price can confirm for continuation, and we want to see whether the price can break this correction, which is the previous top, which is this one, or not. Because if the price cannot continue from here, in the bigger case, we can expect the price consolidate for longer time within this range. Okay, that's why if we get a bigger correction from here or continuation, it can give us better confirmation. Then whoever get the trade within this range for buy, they have to book some profit. They should book some profit. All right. And again, the best things is if we need to get the deeper correction either from here or higher. If we get it, can give us better confirmation for continuation. That's why right now, based on the 1 hour chart, whoever get the trade within this move, they should book some profit. Maybe it depends where they get, but whoever get the trade from any of this move, they can move their stop loss to 35K and just let it go. And right now we're looking at this. Still, we can look for buy. And as I mentioned, the buy is a short-term trade because we need to see the breakout of the 38K flowing by the 39, okay, which is somewhere around this one, 38 and 39. Okay, now the only thing is whoever get the trade, if they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. And still we're looking for this. If we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. But as I mentioned, any trade from now is short-term trade. What I mean by short-term trade, as long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage it because we can expect this one turn to more complex correction unless we see the continuation and breakout of this correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And right now we can look for buy. We're looking at this. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.